Hi there, I'm Shelley and Seb's behind the camera.
Hi.
And today we're going to show you what we're doing with this Volkswagen bus, which we're going to turn into a camper van. So let's take a look inside and come with me. This is the inside of the bus, and as you can see there are these bits in here. These have got to stay in because this is a people carrier usually, but we want to be able to use it as well as a camper van. This project is going to take us lots of weeks or possibly months to build. We're going to start with the sitting area and the bed area, and then we're going to move on to the rest. But what we have to say is this is not going to be a project where we show you exactly what we do like we do in our other films. This one is just going to show you each stage, how far we've got and what we've actually done. To join everything together in the camper van, we're going to use here these pieces. They're called Clamix. They're from Lamello, and Lamello has also a machine that makes these holes here, and you simply put them into position here, and then we could join these two pieces together, and once they're joined together on top of one another, you can take an Allen key and just turn it and lock the two pieces together. And if you want some more information about these connecting fittings, you can just look in YouTube. There are plenty of films about Lamello Clamix furniture fittings. Our first job is to cover up the side panels and the wheel arch of the vehicle. We've attached 3 pieces of wood to the sides of the vehicle and a piece of wood down below, as you can see. They will all be painted black. They've all got these Clamix fittings on so that we can then fit a piece of plywood on, which will cover everything up. It's the first part that we've actually built. This will be clicked onto the other side using then Clamix fittings. And as you can see, it's made out of plywood, and little bits of framework is solid wood. Plywood because we need to have it as light as possible so that we don't put too much weight into the vehicle. And the seat belts, we would just unscrew the top screw so that then the fittings will disappear behind the new boards that we're putting on. This is what the side panel looks like, and it's all secure so nothing can happen when you're driving around. This is the bench that will go into the bus to sit on. It will have storage inside it. As you can see, built a framework and then just built this box. And at the end there'll be a drawer going on with a front on it. We'll see that a bit later. That's what the bench looks like. We're now going to build the pull-out drawer that actually goes underneath the seating. In this pull-out drawer there's going to be the cooker, the gas cooker, and we're not going to use any rails. We're going to make the drawer completely out of wood. The drawer's going to go into the bench. We've turned the bench on its side. The drawer is still in. It's in the right position so that then on this side of it at the back, Seb can put down a piece of wood which will then stop the drawer going further into the cupboard. So that's the stopper, and will be just screwed here and over there into position. And just to hold everything into position and cover everything up, we're going to add this board on just of here. To stop the drawer not running properly, you have to cover this little bit up. To finish, there's a piece of wood that is placed on top of this drawer so that you can put storage things on top. Here's the side panel that's been painted green. If you look on top of here, there's a lid on top. You can lift this up, and inside here is storage. There's two of them, one at the top, one here. And now that's missing is the bench. The bench is fixed with these parts. Here we've drilled some holes, and behind the back of these holes are these parts. They're attached to the back so that then when we put the screws into place, everything will hold nice and tight, so that we haven't got to worry that everything will fall around when we're driving. We've got a drawer down the bottom. You could theoretically put a drawer up here as well. We're now going to finish it off by making the upholstery and also making a part of the bed from over here, but that is in the next film. So we'll see you next time. Bye bye for now.